Guys, I have some exciting news to share with all of you, but honestly, I'm feeling a little nervous about it at the same time.
You look both excited and worried today, so now I'm really curious to know what happened.
My company has selected me for a training program in another city, and I'll have to travel there completely by myself next week.
That's fantastic news. Congratulations. But why do you seem worried if it's such a great opportunity?
Because this will be my first time traveling alone, and I've never taken such a long trip without family or friends.
That's completely normal. Most people feel nervous before their first solo journey because everything feels new and unfamiliar.
I keep thinking about different problems that could happen during the trip, and that makes me even more nervous.
Trust me, you're much more capable than you think, and this experience will probably teach you a lot.
I haven't even started the journey yet, and somehow my mind has already created dozens of problems that don't even exist.
Let me guess. You're worried about missing the train, losing your luggage, and getting lost in a new city.
How did you know?
Because everyone thinks about those things before their first solo trip.
The funny thing is that most of those problems never actually happen.
I know that, but it's still difficult to stop thinking about them.
Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, try thinking about all the exciting things you'll experience during the trip.
That's a good point. I guess I've been focusing too much on my fears. I've packed my clothes, charger, documents, headphones, and everything else I can think of, but I still feel like I'm forgetting something important.
That's a classic travel feeling. Even experienced travelers feel the same way.
Have you checked your tickets and hotel booking confirmation?
Yes, and I've checked them at least 3 times already because I don't want any surprises tomorrow.
Then you're probably more prepared than most people who travel regularly.
Maybe, but I still keep opening my bag and checking everything again.
That's not preparation anymore. That's just nervousness.
You're probably right. Okay, I'm officially at the station, and there are so many people here that I'm already feeling a little overwhelmed.
Have you found the correct platform?
Yes, but I checked it twice because I was afraid I might read it incorrectly.
How much time do you have before the train arrives?
Around 20 minutes, so I'm just waiting near the platform now.
Take a deep breath and relax. Everything seems to be going perfectly so far.
I'm trying, but my heart is still beating faster than usual. The train has finally left the station, and I already feel much calmer than I did an hour ago.
It's nice to finally sit down and relax after all the rush at the station.
That's true. The station was much busier than I expected this morning.
It usually gets crowded around this time, especially on weekends and holidays.
I can understand that now because it took me a few minutes just to find the correct coach.
The good thing is that once the train starts moving, everything feels much more peaceful.
Yes, I was feeling quite nervous earlier, but now I'm starting to relax.
That's nice to hear. A comfortable journey makes a big difference.
It certainly does. I'm finally beginning to enjoy the trip.
Welcome to the city. You look a little tired after the journey, but you also seem quite excited to be here.
That's true. It was a long journey, but I'm feeling much better now that I've finally arrived safely.
Are you visiting for work, studies, or just a short vacation?
I'm here for a training program, and honestly, I've been looking forward to it for several weeks now.
That's wonderful. New places always bring new experiences and opportunities.
I agree. I was feeling nervous before the trip, but now I'm starting to feel much more confident.
That's how it usually works. The hardest part is often taking the first step.
You're absolutely right. Everything seems much easier now than it did a few days ago. Excuse me, could you tell me if this road leads to Central Market? I've been walking around for a few minutes and just wanted to make sure I'm heading in the right direction.
Yes, you're on the correct road. Just keep walking straight for a few more minutes, and you'll see it on your right-hand side.
Thank you very much. I'm still trying to become familiar with the city, so everything feels a little new at the moment.
That's completely understandable. Every new city feels confusing during the first day or two.
That's good to hear because I thought I was the only one feeling this way.
Not at all. Before long, you'll probably know this area better than many visitors.
I hope so. So far, everyone I've met has been very friendly and helpful.
That's nice to hear. Enjoy your time here and make the most of your visit.
Thank you. I definitely plan to. Excuse me, I ordered a vegetable sandwich a few minutes ago, but I think I received someone else's order by mistake.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. Let me check your order details.
No problem. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any confusion.
Thank you for letting us know. It looks like there was a mix-up with another customer's order.
I thought that might be the case because this isn't what I ordered.
We sincerely apologize. We'll prepare the correct order right away.
That's okay. Mistakes can happen, and I appreciate your help.
Thank you for your understanding. Your sandwich will be ready in just a few minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and thank you for your patience.
It's nice to see how quickly problems can be solved when people communicate properly.
Hello? It looks like your trip is coming to an end.
Yes, tomorrow is my last day here, and I can't believe how quickly the time has passed.
So, did you enjoy your stay in the city?
Very much. I arrived feeling nervous, but now I'm leaving with wonderful memories.
That's great to hear.
This trip taught me a lot, and I'm really glad I decided to come.
Then I'd say your journey was a success.
It definitely was.